Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing you some incredible furniture makeovers from the heart of Dubai. From outdated to outstanding, these transformations will leave you inspired. Also, don't forget to visit our website, 𝐒𝐻𝐴𝐻𝐿curtains.com, for all your interior needs. They offer stunning wall coverings and furniture services that can enhance any space. Why is Dubai a hub for furniture makeovers? Dubai is renowned for its luxury and opulence, but did you know it's also emerging as a hub for creative furniture makeovers? From high-end villas to chic apartments, people in Dubai are embracing the art of transforming their old furniture into something new and stylish. Transformation Showcase. 1. Wooden table. Let's dive into our first makeover. This old, worn-out wooden table was once destined for the landfill. But after some sanding, a fresh coat of paint, and a little love, it's now a stunning chic centerpiece with a modern finish. 2. Vintage armchair. Next up, we have this vintage armchair that has definitely seen better days. The fabric was outdated, and the wood frame was scratched. But check out the after. With reupholstered fabric and a polished frame, it's like a brand new piece of furniture. 3. Wooden dresser. Lastly, we have a dresser that was more of an eyesore than a storage solution. With some creative woodworking and a fresh color palette, it's now the highlight of the bedroom. DIY tips for furniture makeovers. Here are a few tips if you're thinking about starting your own furniture makeover project. Start small. If you're new to furniture makeovers, start with something simple, like a side table or a chair. Quality materials. Invest in good quality paint, brushes, and tools. It makes all the difference. Experiment with colors. Don't be afraid to try bold colors or unique finishes. It's your chance to express your creativity. Safety first. Always work in a well-ventilated area and wear protective gear when handling chemicals or sanding. Where to find makeover services in Dubai? If you're not into DIY, don't worry. Dubai has skilled professionals who can help transform your furniture. Visit 𝐒𝐻𝐴𝐻𝐿curtains.com for top-notch furniture makeovers in Dubai. They are renowned for their craftsmanship and innovative designs. We hope you enjoyed these stunning furniture makeovers. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the notification bell for more transformation videos.